What's up, beauty crew? Welcome back to SheDoesBeauty, and if you're new, hello. For today's video we are doing two different breast cancer nail designs. Let's go ahead and get started. For the first nail, we are going to be doing a glitter ombre, so I'm just laying down that Young Nails Cover Pink as my kind of base and translucent color, and then I am taking this pink glitter. I will link that down below, and I'm just going to blend that into the nail. But before I get too into this design, I just wanted to shout out to all the new people joining our beauty crew. Hello, you guys! I hope you like it here, and I'm really enjoying some of the content I'm putting out. I do want to do a little bit more like face stuff, whether it be like makeup or more reviews. I do have one in mind, just so I can get a little bit more personal with you guys, and I'm really excited for what's to come on my channel. And then some of you know our house is getting built, so there'll be more videos on that soon. So yeah, I'm just really excited, and thank you guys for sticking with me. Thank you to all the new people joining, and if you haven't joined yet, I hope you join by hitting that subscribe button. Woo, I'm so excited to have you here. Okay, so sorry I got a little off track, but as you can see, I'm just adding some dried flowers and some breast cancer ribbons. I will have the links down below for those as well. And then we're going to take the Cover Pink again and then go over all of those. Now, as we ombre that pink down, we just want to make sure that we're patting as we go. That way we don't take any of the glitter or dried flowers with us. But yeah, thank you guys again. I'm so excited for all the new members. I'm excited for all the new content, and I really hope you guys are enjoying these videos, the Halloween ones and the fall ones. I do have a ton more coming, like I said. Oh, okay. So after we encapsulate, after we add our dried flowers and a couple more ribbons, or vice versa, we're going to encapsulate the entire nail. Now, just as a little PSA, I really want you all to make sure that you're checking yourselves on the regular. Make sure you are checking your chest, your breasts, and underneath your armpits, and monitor any changes that go on in your health. Your health is important, and it doesn't matter who you are. Breast cancer can happen to literally anybody. Yeah, just make sure you're taking your health serious. Thank you, love you. Now, for the next nail design, we are going to be doing a diagonal cut. So I'm taking that Young Nails Cover Pink, and I'm going to place it on kind of one side of the nail, and then make it a little bit thicker to thin, and then I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and just make it more crisp. And then after we clean up that cut crease, we are going to add a little bit of pink in there, and then cut crease that pink into the clear. But beauty crew, I really want you all to know it can literally happen in the blink of an eye. My mom went to her yearly appointment, nothing was found. A week later, she feels this little marble-sized lump by her armpit, and it literally took a week for it to form. And had she ignored it, or had she not, been paying attention, it could have been so much worse. But luckily, they were able to take it out, and she was vigilant about it. She went through her chemo, she went through her radiation, and she beat it. I'm so proud of her, and I'm just so thankful that she's healthy, and she's 2 years with no cancer, in remission, and we're just really hoping it doesn't come back. And you guys, you have to be vigilant. You really do, because it can happen so fast. And yeah, it's a horrible disease. Cancer is horrible. But what I'm doing here is just placing different flowers throughout that negative space. I'm just going to mix the shades of lighter and darker pinks, and then I'm going to add a ribbon in the middle to kind of tie it all together. But you can add as much or as little as you want. If you wanted to add stuff on the pink, you totally could. And I just want to say, if you have ever lost anyone from cancer, I am so truly sorry for your loss. I know it is so hard, and I try not to get emotional because I sound so ugly. And yeah, I try not to get emotional, but I know this is an emotional topic, so I love you and I'm here for you, and we're gonna encapsulate this entire nail now. Whew, okay, sorry about that. I had to kind of collect myself. I was getting a little carried away there. But I told you guys we're gonna get personal, so let's get personal, you know? No, but I love you guys, and I just really want to thank you for being part of the beauty crew, and thank you for taking this journey with me, honestly. Like, it's nice to be able to vent a little and cry a little, you know? Y'all my family, you're on my beauty crew, so I don't feel bad about it. But once we're done encapsulating that nail, we are going to file shape and buff both of our accent nails, and then we'll add our top coat and do our reveal. And drum roll, please. Ooh. I love you guys. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you enjoy these designs as much as I do because they are so pretty. I love how you can see the different dimensions with all the different layers. I love it. And this one as well, I think it's so cute with the cut crease. I'm so happy with how these came out. I think they're so pretty. I just love that pink. But thank you guys for joining me, and thank you for listening to me. I hope you guys have a great day. Love you. Bye, beauty crew.